What's that called? Hey. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Huh? Oh. Ah. This tattoos? I already got one. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the crap? There's a mouse. Oh, hello, cat. Oh. Oh my god, the cats are the employees. Oh.
I'm about to little Kim it.
Wait, damn.
Damn.
Oh.
I told you, it's really nice living over here. And imagine if I had a food truck come here like 3 times a week.
Yeah.
I would make a bank.
July.
People can
And
rent me
calling areas,
out.
yeah.
Right. Naomi's calling me. Oh, is that your niece?
Oh, yeah. So.
See you.
Maybe I be thinking about
happiest moments.
I think about the stuff that I leave behind, but like not the good stuff.
I'm gonna be honest.
That's so embarrassing.
You know what they're gonna find in my private browser?
What? Should I still be recording? Turn it off.
That is cool. This ain't in the back. These are like
Country.
what are these kids on there?
Hey. So, back when I was in California, like a couple months ago, my computer just stopped working. It stopped working twice. Once when I was in New York, and then one in California. So right now I have a password where like the keys on the keyboard doesn't work. They don't work. Like some of them do and some of them don't. But the keys that I need for my passwords are the ones that don't work. Out of all of the keywords, the ones that don't work are the ones that I need. So I haven't been using that computer for like months. But I figured because my mom has like a keyboard that connects to iPads, and then I was thinking, couldn't I use a keyboard to connect to the computer to work? Because don't people do that when they like change their keys and they have the aesthetic keyboard clicking sounds? So this is what I got, and we're gonna see if it works. I'm nervous, bro. Please. And I also got, I'll just show you. Here's the beaut herself. I honestly don't know how long I have left to use this because it's on its last legs. Even without the keyboard, it's like breaking. But what is that called? The bigger, what is this called? What is this called? Oh my god, what is this called? What is that called? Tripod. And I am gonna use it. Oh my god. What it looks like.
Damn!
I like ripped these out because I ripped, this one stopped working in California and I ripped that out and then it worked again. And I tried to rip these out to see, you know, if that solution would work. It didn't, so. It's like typing and I'm not typing. Better work, bro. Please, bro. I don't even remember the password. I don't remember the password. Let me see if I remember the password. glad. I'm a genius, and I wanna put that out there so everybody knows that it's the truth. What is that called? Fuck. Fuck. I don't remember. Okay, I'll be back to see if it works. Oh, and it didn't. Okay. Guess we'll try it again. Okay, so I actually can't figure out the password at all. So that's unfortunate for me. And also all my security passwords aren't the actual answers. I didn't think I'd need it ever, so here's my iPad. And this is the keyboard that my mom gave me, and it connects to this. And I thought, because I edit my videos on the iPad, and it's like annoying using your fingers and like the pencil, because this pencil is low-key whack too, but one problem at a time. So I decided, what's the best next thing? We'll see the stars. Oh my gosh. That's so cool, bro. Oh my gosh, even this thing works. I can feel a breakthrough coming, so I decided to record. I decided to restart the whole computer. Good thing, I don't remember what I have on the computer, so I guess it's not a big loss. But it would be if there was something important on it that I don't remember. So, but I guess what I don't know can't kill me, right?
Phone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader,
This was anticlimactic and climactic at the same time because it did work. Oh. Alrighty. Spray your face while you're at it. Some rosemary oil. I'm not gonna put it on the scalp. Oh, and the battery's dying. Cool, 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 cool. We're just gonna do like this. Do like that. I have to hurry up. I have to hurry up, but I do need more oil. I do need more oil. You gonna take some castor oil? Just a little dodge like that. Gonna get the scalp. Okay. We're gonna get the scalp. Yup. Okay, and then what I do, I go like this, and then I take the top, and then I leave. Wait. Okay.
Look at that dog.
9:10. Ooh. School's out. Ring a bell.
Dog. You're gonna have to. Josiel was never came to school. You have to walk across. Ow. But we can't. Whoa. These are beautiful. Wow. Look at these. I picked up one.